See, now that is definitely the hatch off of a UFO. You can tell. See? It's got sophisticated parts, like this piece of brass right there. Yes, sir. We're at the engineer as well. I think we have to share it with some cattle. Which is fine. Hi, cattle. They're thirsty too. You guys are lucky to be able to hang out here all day. I wouldn't pick a fight with that thing. He looks large and in charge to me. Yeah, got this cool windmill here. We'll just stand here a minute, they'll walk off. We don't want them wasting any precious energy. Thank you for sharing your water, Mr. Bull. There's a lot of you there. You look healthy. He's a little guy. Thank you, Mr. Bull. He's like, yeah, I'll let you in, but I ain't going far. I don't blame him. Whew. All right. I think we can lift this and maybe get some fresh water. Somebody lift it. Try it out. Not that there's anything. Careful.